Easy pressure cooker butter chicken.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. First thing you're going to do is put your pressure cooker on saute function. Melt 5 tablespoons of butter. Add in 1 medium-sized onion that's been chopped up. Then you'll add 6 chicken thighs that have been cut up into bite-sized pieces, of course boneless. Give it a stir, and you're going to stir this over on the saute function until the chicken is heated through and it just starts to turn white on the outside. You're not going to cook it through completely, just a little bit. Just cook it a little bit on the outside. When it gets to that point, we're going to add some more ingredients. 1.5 cups of tomato sauce. This is just out of the can. 1.5 cups of heavy cream, or half and half. And then some spices. We're going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, and 3 teaspoons of garam masala. Give that a stir until combined. And then you're going to put your pressure cooker lid on. Make sure it's nicely sealed and that the little pressure release button is locked. Now this part's going to be different depending on which kind of pressure cooker you have, of course. Mine's a Cosori, and I set it to manual, and then I use the pressure control to bring it down to medium pressure, and then I set the timer for 5 minutes, and then you press on. It'll come up to pressure, and then you let it cook for the 5 minutes, and then you quick release the pressure, and there is the finished product. Now, if the sauce isn't thick enough for your liking, you can just add a little bit of cornstarch and water to it, set it on saute, and just heat it up until it's thick. And then I served mine over rice. Now, I found this absolutely delicious. It made an awesome meal. I've never had butter chicken before, so I'm not sure how authentic tasting it actually is, but it was great, and it's so easy to put together and so quick. And I also did the rice in the pressure cooker prior to making the butter chicken, and I actually have a video on that where I make Mongolian beef with the rice. So if you want to see how I did that, go ahead and click on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.